We need to go back to the drawing board.
So what do you have in mind?
Well, I think we should get some information on how he does his show.
Well, he invited me to be part of his show next week, and since I'm his own mother, I don't think he expects us to work together.
That's perfect. I'll be in touch with you over the next week and tell you what you need to take or get or what information you need.
Okay.
Deal.
Welcome to Cooking with Keith. On the menu today, we got kale chips. So here's what you'll need. 3 bunches of kale, 1 small onion, 2 cups of cashews, 1 lemon, black pepper, cumin, paprika. I think that's a pretty good toss. And a hot pepper. Also, 2 basil leaves. For the chili, I'm using chocolate brain strain, but you guys can use a habanero, or even if you don't want heat, just don't use a pepper. For the 2 cups of cashews, you want to pre-soak them in water for about 1 to 2 hours prior. I've already pre-soaked mine. With the 3 bunches of kale, you want to pull the leaves off the main stem and then put the leaves into a large bowl. What the kale? Where did everything go? You want to try to keep your leaves as big as possible, so that way you can get maximum chip capacity. Now that the kale's ready, set it off to the side and we're going to make the sauce. So in a blender, you're going to put your 2 cups of cashews, 1 cup of water, the juice of 1 lemon, and your 2 basil leaves. You'll need to put half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Then I'll need a cutting board to cut up the onion. We'll just cut this in half and then toss it in. And then we'll also put about 1/4 of this pepper. Toss on the lid, and time to get blending. You can also put like 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of salt into your cashew sauce as well, but I personally don't like adding salt to my kale chips. Now we want to add the sauce to the kale. Now that the sauce is mixed into the kale, it's time to get messy. We're just going to mix and massage the kale until everything is all coated in the cashew sauce. This is real messy, man, real messy. Next, we're going to put the kale onto a sheet to be dehydrated. But if you don't have a dehydrator, you can just get a cookie sheet and put some wax paper on it, and then put the kale chips on there, and then stick them in the oven for 2 to 4 hours, or until they're crispy at 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to dehydrate them. I personally dehydrate mine at less than 120 degrees, and it usually takes about a whole day, so about 18 hours to 24 hours. But if you turn up the dial a little bit to like 160, 180 degrees, they'll be done like 12 hours or even less than that. So basically you just want them to dehydrate until they're crispy. Here they go. Now that the kale chips are done, we need to take them out of the dehydrator and put them into a bowl. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. Oh, hell yeah, it's time to dig in. It's like eating cereal without milk. Rice milk, that is. I think I'd eat these all day. All day, every day. Why am I even eating with a spoon? Oh my goodness. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipe videos and other random videos, hit the subscribe button down below. If you have any questions or comments about the recipe, ask away. Also, if you want to see more kale chip recipes, comment down below and let me know. Well, with that, get cooking.
Well, he invited me to be on his show next week, and since I'm his own mother, I don't think he expects us. Cut! Take 3. No, he invited me to be on his show next week, and since I'm his mother... Don't laugh at me! I'm trying to be serious. Well, he invited me to be part of his show next week. And if you don't stop laughing at me, I can say my line. It's supposed to be serious. Okay.
All right.
I'm not going to look at you. But I got to. Well, he invited me to be part of his show next week. And since I'm his own mother...
Let her go, man. Let her get it.
Okay, I'm not going to look at you when I say the next one. I'm going to look at the curtain back there.